Hello everyone, this is GK class for class 6 and today we will discuss FACE chapter number 24. According to your title, guys, you can understand that in this chapter we will learn about the FACE, variety of FACE, usage of FACE. Okay, means everything we will know about the FACE. So FACE facts, this is the name of your chapter. So here, did you know while sharks are the world's largest fish, they can grow up to 65 feet in length. Guys, according to your book, means in GK, in this chapter means FACE facts, you can understand that the length of whale is known as 65 feet. Okay. So next thing is that identify the name of the fish with the help of the clue box and the description provided. Okay. Suppose first, this species have inhabited the earth for over 400 million years. Means this is a ancient story and fish is found from ancient time, means before 400 million years, and are the largest fish in the sea, measuring up to 40 feet or sometimes more. They have 5 to 6 pairs of gills and huge gaping mouths. This is a structure of the mouth of fish with which they scoop up tiny planktons and animals while swimming close to the water surface. And instead of having a heavy bony skeleton, they have cartilaginous skeletons. And in figure 2 you will find that one of the most popular aquarium fish, this is the found in fresh waters. It is a member of the carp family. Means here the fish which you are watching here, this type of fish is found in aquarium. Okay, this is aquarium fish, this is found in fresh water. Means aquarium fish is always found in fresh water. It is a member of the carp family. This is a member of carp family. Okay, and comes in various colors like yellow. This kinds of means as carp fish. What kinds of fish? Aquarium fish. This is found, means here we can say that this kinds of fish is called member of carp family and comes in various colors like yellow, red, orange, black, white and brown. A few hundred species of this fish have been discovered so far. They love to eat a lot. Okay. Next thing guys, third types of fish. The third type of fish is the fish is found in the warm seas around the world. This fish is mainly found in 3 colors. Means firstly you should know that this kinds of fish is found in warm seas. Where this kinds of fish is found? Warm seas. Okay, around the world. This fish is mainly found in 3 colors: green, olive and brown. It measures up to 8 inches. Means the length of this fish is near about 8 inch. This fish is a small mouth. The mouth of this fish is small and is flattened from side to side. It flattened from side to side in aquarium. has two dorsal fin spines. Okay guys, so here we have discussed 1, 2, 3 fish. Okay, and in number 4 kinds of fish, the largest tuna fish in the world, which lives for about 40 years. This kinds of fish lives about 40 years in the world. For about 40 years, they grow up to 5 m in length. Okay, 5 meter in length, and weigh about 250 kilogram. The weight of this kinds of fish is 250. Okay, great hunter and is highly prized as a food fish. This is a food fish, highly prized food fish. So next we will discuss fish number 5th, that is, this fish can measure from 2 to 24 inches. 2 to 24 inches means this is a kind of fish which is measured 2 to 24 inches, from 2 inch to 24 inches in length, depending on the species. Their bright colored body is designed to camouflage in the coral reefs. These are omnivorous and like to eat sponges, algae, jellyfish and small fish. Here help box is given. Kinds of fish: filefish, anglefish, whale shark, bluefin, goldfish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here guys, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You have to identify according to the features of these fish. So you have to write the name of the fish. Which fish is this, which fish is this, which fish is this. Okay, so guys, I think you understand this properly, and the help box is given here, and the answer is also provided in the back of your book. Okay guys, so you should learn the kinds of these 5 fish. This is your homework.